Wake. Ayamin yang kono.
Eid is held after fasting for a whole month. Indonesia has a tradition that has been known since ancient time, precisely on the Java Island. Lebaran, or Eid Mubarak, consists of two activities, namely Eid Al-Fitr, first Shawwal, and Ketupat Eid on Eid Shawwal, which is a week after Eid Al-Fitr. This Ketupat Eid has become a hereditary tradition. Usually, this Ketupat Eid also invite distant family to stay in touch and pray together. This Ketupat Eid tradition cannot be separated from the guidance of Islam. Prophet Muhammad SAW recommended for Muslims to complete the fasting of Ramadan by fasting the sunnah of 6 days starting after first Shawwal. This is because the reward obtained can erase one's sins for the next 1 year. Some people carry out this recommendation by fasting sunnah for 6 days after Eid Al-Fitr. On the 8th of Shawwal, the Ketupat Eid will be held. According to history, the ketupat in Java was introduced by Sunan Kalijaga Raden Said. This was conveyed by him when he introduced the term ba'da or after to the Javanese people. The ba'da that Sunan Kalijaga conveyed were the Eid ba'da and the kupat ba'da. Ba'da Lebaran is understood as a procession of Eid prayer. First Shawwal then continued with the tradition of visiting each other and forgiving fellow Muslim. While Ba'da Kupat begins after the week of Eid Al-Fitr, which is a marker for the Javanese Muslim community to make ketupat, which is a type of food made from rice that is put in woven young coconut leaves, or we call it Janur, in the form of rectangular bag. Then cooked, which is then distributed to neighbors with accompanied by side dishes with coconut milk as an expression of strengthening the ties of friendship. The making of ketupat lepat is read with coconut leaf. The word Janur is taken from Arabic language, namely Janur, which means the light has come. The rectangular shape of ketupat is likened to a human heart. When he admits he is wrong, the human heart is like a kupat that has been split open. Then content must be pure white, a heart without envy, and envy because his heart is wrapped in light, Janur. Lepet from the word silep kang rapet. Monggo dipun silep ingkang rapet, which mean let's bury it or close it tightly. So after admitting wrongs, lepat, then the wrong action should not be repeated, so that the brotherhood can be closed like sticky rice in lepet. As you can see here, this is the process how to put the rice inside this rectangular shape or janur. And then this is the side dishes, chicken curry, still in the making process. So this is how to process to cook the ketupat. Basically, you put some pandan leaves first and then add some salt and then put all the ketupat inside this boiling water. Just make sure that all ketupat are sinking. And this is the example of the finished good looks like that distributed to the neighbors, relatives, families, friends. To be honest, like the process of making ketupat is different in some places. Like in Jakarta, basically they make ketupat on the first day of Eid Mubarak and then they eat it together after morning prayer. But in some other areas, like in my hometown for example, well, we made this ketupat at the 8th day after Eid Mubarak and then distribute it on the 8th day. And here it is. Put some chicken curry on it, some bamboo soups, young bamboo soup, some coconut and some koya on the top of it. Of course, you can add some crackers too if you want and if you feel like to eat it.